This is very
Al
heavy.
iki elinle tut al. Heh, öyle vur. Ama böyle bu tarafa doğru. Oh.
Look how many shoes he makes. Look how much pinchy things.
Yeah. These are traditional for here.
One shoe's still broken.
No, he's making them. See?
Look how big.
Look. See, he cuts it so it fits perfectly.
And he uses those pinchy things.
Bunlar çivi.
Chive.
Çivi.
Chibi.
Chive.
Chibi.
You have to say it.
Chibi.
İtalya.
Chiodo.
Chiodo.
See?
Akado.
So he has different kinds, see? He puts the glue, and this is to hold this part on the bottom part. When it's dry, he can cut it. You?
Benim çırak.
Oh, he's gonna have you try.
Okay.
Geçek. Gel yanıma.
Go there? Okay.
Otur.
I'm gonna make a shoe.
Kalıp. Kalıp. Saya.
See, puts it on top.
And then he uses pinchy things.
Yeah.
Evet, bu şekilde üstüne koyuyorsun.
Then after he glues it.
Wait, look, he's showing you. Look at him.
Küçük çırak. Bakın. Şöyle yakalıyorsun. Dişli.
Oh, look at that. So he pulls it close and then he nails it.
But you need a hammer for that.
And now it's all pulling.
I actually want to try.
Wow, look at that.
I'm not gonna hammer, but I am a good puller.
Now he has to pull on the sides.
Bak.
Voila!
Really?
See, look, he gets the shape.
Woo!
He's making the shape of the shoe.
Bak.
Voila! And then you use glue, but first
Yeah.
you cut it.
First he has to put the leather all around that foot shape. And then he has to glue it.
Here you go.
Bak. Gördün?
I was just gonna.
Bak bura. Burun.
Boom.
Burun.
It's the nose of the shoe, Luca. Luca, you're here, his helper.
The shoemaker. With it.
Tek.
Oh wow, it's
did?
really pretty. Look at that. He did like a nice little thing.
Wow.
Da-da-da-dam.
Ah, he's finished. See?
Then
Wow.
we cut it, and then we put the glue.
Okay.
Okay. He's pretty fast.
Şimdilik arka.
Oh, now he has to do the
Arka.
back. The back.
Now he's doing the back, Luca.
The back.
This part.
You see, he pointed his back. Basically, what you have to do, Luca, is you have to tighten the whole thing so it's nice and good. Then you glue it, and then we don't know what happens after because we didn't see what happens after you glue
You
it.
wear them.
But how does he take it off after? And does it have to glue for like a few days?
I guess it slips off because it's the shoe size. These are different sizes based on your foot. I think he has the numbers here.
Ben Mehmet.
His name is Mehmet. You?
Luca.
Luca.
Yeah.
Oh, Luca. Küçük usta Luca.
It doesn't even take that long. I mean, once you get good at it.
He does it all day probably.
Luca.
I wonder how many shoes he makes a day.
Finish.
Wow. Now we just put the glue.
Tıraş.
Oh.
Tıraş.
He
Now
takes
he's
out
gonna shave
the
it.
extra.
Shave it.
Yeah.
Then we shave it, and then after we put the glue. And then after we do another shoe, and then I do the, and then
Honey, he does the shoes. He's showing you how he does it.
But then I can do the shoe, right?
No, I don't think so.
No, you could just teach me how to do it.
Çöp.
Trash. Trash. Ta-da.
Now we're very tired.
Bak.
Can I go it?
Bu ilaç.
Glue.
Çivileri görüyorsun değil mi? İlaç. Yatır.
So you have to put the glue on the sides here and then he closes it.
Çek. Gördün? Luca.
Look, Luca.
Bak
It stays.
işte. Yani bu araya çalınıp yapıştırıp sonra şunları çekmek için. Luca. Bu uçuyor. Uçtu mu? Yapışma. Yapışıyor. Bu önceden yaptım bak. Okay.
Okay.
Hepsi yapıştıktan sonra çivi çekiliyor.
No, it sits. We're making 25 pieces, I think, of these shoes. Wow.
Bunlardan
25 pieces, all together.
10.
25 pieces, yeah, yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so he does it for the government?
Keşke seni anlayabilsem. Keşke. Ters.
Oh, he's saying you bend the nails and then you hammer it. See? So you use the back to take down the
Luca,
nails.
ötekini sen yapacaksın.
Okay.
Sen.
So if you want to do it, you have to watch him.
Bak tam şuraya Luca. Bak buraya.
Oh wow, he's
İleri.
good.
Şurayı gerdiriyor.
Oh, he makes
He's
it.
making it even tighter.
Yeah, and he's even making it flat.
Luca'yı bana ver. Ben Luca'yı usta.
You come here and you stay with him and you learn how to do it, okay?
Komple. Yani ayak giyimlerinde ayağa batmasın.
It has to be flat.
Düz.
Flat.
Okay.
Oh, he's doing it on the gaps, Luca.
Luca yavaş.
I think he wants to make it look prettier with the nails, so he's putting more in the gaps. Now he bends them.
Bak Luca. That's it.
Ta-da!
Okay. Şimdi bunlar çekilecek ya Luca. Bundan
And then you take them out.
After you take
hepsi
it off,
çekiliyor. Tamam. Hepsi çıkıyor. Çıktıktan sonra bak şunla şöyle
you cut the-
şurası kesilip dümdüz. Komple. Yani ayak giyimlerinde
it has to be flat.
düz.
Flat.
Okay.
When he take out the nail, he has to cut it and make everything flat and smooth.
I mean, you're right, it does just come off. Because he takes off the nails and then it comes
Yeah.
off.
Voila.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Al bakalım Luca. Al. Tut. Bak. Şöyle yapıyorsun bak. Şu tarafa doğru. Şöyle. Ama
Luca, you have to bang it.
tut.
Strong.
Strong.
Luca. Yavaş.
Eh.
Yavaş. Yavaş.
Calm.
Kaviste.
No.
No.
Öyle değil. Şöyle.
So you have to put it into the shoe. I mean, out on the side
Okay.
of the shoe.
Şu sende. Al. Tut bakayım. Şuradan. Sıkı tut.
Good job, Luca.
Büyük.
It's big.
Ha. Ben tuttum.
This is
Al,
very
al
heavy.
iki elinle tut. Al. Ha, öyle vur. Ama böyle bu tarafa doğru. Oo. Bunu da aşağı doğru.
Good job, Luca.
Küçük.
Yes.
Küçük.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Wait, let me feel.
It's heavy.
Ah.
You need to have muscle.
You need the muscle.
Oh, yeah. Voila.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
And make me a show.
So these are the traditional shoes they make in this area.
That guy was very nice.
And he was one of the artisans working while we were there.
And he said he makes 25 shoes a day. He makes them to sell, but he also makes them for the government too. Or something like that. He
don't-
said,
yeah.
state craftsman.
Oh, here's another one.
Subscribe to your channel. Push that giant bell. Push the like button. Do not push the do not like button. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye.
Poor channel, look at that. I love it.